Hi, I am RVR. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. In series of tenses, I have been teaching you tenses. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. It is the most useful tense in English grammar. Let's go and learn. Welcome back to RVR English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. In the series of tenses uses in English language. This is the fourth subtense of present tense. Let's learn today. Present perfect continuous tense is the most useful tense in spoken and written form of English language. Present perfect continuous tense is also known as present perfect progressive tense, which shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time and may continue in future. So this tense combines three tenses: present, past, and future. Let's learn how this tense connects these three tenses in English language. First, let's learn the structure of present perfect continuous tense. It is formed as subject, have, has, plus been, plus verb plus inform, plus object. I have been writing a letter. These are the most useful tips of structure you should learn in constructing present perfect continuous tense. You could make as many sentences as you can. It will be more useful. Practice writing first present perfect continuous tense sentences. Now let's learn how to construct this sentence statement and how to change it into negative sentence with the meanings in Telugu. Statement: I have been learning English. నేను ఇంగ్లీషు నేర్చుకొనుచూ ఉన్నాను. How long? It will be given. It will be given since or for. We can learn it. Now let's learn only construction. Negative: I have not been learning English. నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకొనుచూ లేను. We have been doing homework. మేము homework చేయుచూ ఉన్నాము. We have not been doing homework. మేము homework చేయుచూ లేము. You have been singing songs. నీవు పాటలు పాడుచూ ఉన్నావు. You have not been singing songs. నీవు పాటలు పాడుచూ లేవు. He has been driving a car. అతడు కారు నడుపుచూ ఉన్నాడు. He has not been driving a car. అతడు కారు నడుపుచూ లేడు. Like this, you could understand the remaining sentences meaning in Telugu. Thinking English, understand it in Telugu. She has been making lunch. She has not been making lunch. It has been playing the game. It has not been playing the game. They have been reading books. They have not been reading books. Okay, same meanings. Try to understand in Telugu. Okay, let's learn now yes and no question and double question. Yes and no question. I'll explain you in Telugu also. Have I been learning English? Then English నేర్చుకొనుచూ ఉన్నానా? Double question. How long have I been learning English? నేను ఎంతకాలం నుంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకొనుచూ ఉన్నాను? Have we been doing homework? మనం హోంవర్క్ చేయొచ్చు ఉన్నామా? Why have we been doing homework? మనం ఎందుకు హోంవర్క్ చేయొచ్చు ఉన్నాము? Have you been singing songs? నీవు పాటలు పాడుచూ ఉన్నావా? How long have you been singing songs? ఎంత కాలం నుంచి పాటలు పాడుచూ ఉన్నావు? Has he been driving a car? అతడు కారు నడుపుచూ ఉన్నాడా? Where has he been driving a car? అతడు కారు ఎక్కడ నడుపుచూ ఉన్నాడు? Has she been making lunch? ఆమె లంచ్ తయారు చేయుచూ ఉన్నదా? How long has she been making lunch? ఎంత సమయం నుంచి ఆమె లంచ్ తయారు చేయుచూ ఉన్నది? Has it been playing the game? అది ఆట ఆడుచూ ఉన్నదా? Why has it been playing the game? అది ఎందుకు ఆట ఆడుచూ ఉన్నది? Have they been reading books? వారు పుస్తకాలు చదువుచూ ఉన్నారా? Where have they been reading books? వారు ఎక్కడ పుస్తకాలు చదువుచూ ఉన్నారు? Like this, think in English, understand it in Telugu. Actually, English should be learned in English. Use English as food and Telugu as medicine. Therefore, I use usually very little Telugu. Okay, try to develop your English proficiency by using only English. Okay, now let's learn how to use it and the rules of present perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about an action which began in the past, continue in the present, and may continue in future also. She has been working in this factory since 2015. That she started work in this factory in 2015. Now she is working. She may continue working there. When we connect like these three tenses, past to present and future, if the work is in progress, we could use a present perfect continuous tense with the since, for, and how long. He has been learning English for 5 years. For 5 years. What 5 years? It's a period of time. We don't know particularly the 5 hours, 5 years. They have been playing cricket since morning. Since morning point of time. And has been driving the car since 2000. Since, for, how long, usually you could understand. If you find these words, this is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, students and friends, we could identify this tense with the following expressions. How long, since, for. See the examples. How long have you been learning English? Most of the times we use how long in present perfect continuous tense. Since. They have been working in this factory since 2018. For. She has been reading the book for 3 months. Since. For. How long? Let's learn how we identify since, for uses in present perfect continuous tense. I've given some important expressions. If you see these expressions in public examinations or in your any competitive examinations, immediately write present perfect continuous tense. It will be more useful to you. Since is a point of time. We use since in present perfect continuous tense to talk about the point of time. Since morning means from the morning. Since 2000, from 2000. Since yesterday evening, from yesterday evening. Since birth, from birth. Since marriage, from marriage time. Since last year, from last year. For, a period of time. We use for in present perfect tense to talk about a period of time. For 4 hours. What 4 hours? We don't know the 4 hours. For 5 days. What 5 days? We don't know. For 6 weeks. What 6 weeks? We don't know. But there is span of time without particularized days, hours, weeks, months, and years. For 3 months. What 3 months? There is span of time. There is period of time. No particularity like since. For 10 years. Which 10 years? In the past. But no need to tell perfectly, correctly, particularly that time like since. That's the difference between since and for. If you use since, there is point of time. It begins from. But here not from. There is span, period of time. That knowledge is in only speaker's mind, not in our mind. Just we could understand for 10 years. If we ask directly question, what 10 years, then the speaker would tell you. Okay, practice these expressions to write, speak English correctly, and do exams also in public exams. Okay, students, we have learned present perfect continuous tense in this video lesson. I think you understood it well. Now fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense. Verb forms. You know very well what verb forms I taught you structure and how to change it into different sentences, and I have given you rules and I have given some examples also. Now you could do well. If you don't understand, go back, replay the video and watch it until you understand, but don't neglect it. Please watch from the beginning to ending until you understand this video lesson. Okay, you could do this. Dear students, post it in our group after completion of your exercise writing and doing answers. Good luck. Okay, students, I think you understood it well. Please write down the important points and exercise into your notebook and post it in our group. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Let's meet in another useful video lesson. Until bye-bye.